It wasn't expected from Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all doing good. It's been over a month now that Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra was launched, but it was a roller coaster for Samsung to fix the issues regarding the Galaxy S22 Ultra and with its Exynos 2200 variants, and all of the controversies regarding the game optimization service GOS. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra cameras are almost the same, just like its predecessor the Galaxy S21 Ultra, but with some tweaks here and there, so we can expect same result from both cameras. According to the Samsung's official website, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra cannot be able to record 960 FPS video. Yes, you bought a $1,200 phone and it doesn't support 960 FPS just like the Galaxy S21 Ultra due to its main sensor limitation. But interesting fact that Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus can record 960 FPS, which is more frustrating for the people who want this feature in the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now noting that not a lot of people are up for 960 FPS, but it is a good feature to have it on your phone. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below, did you like the 960 FPS feature on your Galaxy devices? The demand for the Galaxy S22 Ultra was really high, but supply chain issues damaged the Galaxy S22 Ultra full potential. A Wave 7 research survey says that Galaxy S22 Ultra was the top seller in February, and 69% of the sales reports surveyed the Galaxy S22 series demand in high compared to the Galaxy S21 Ultra last year. The report also adds up that Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra was on the top of the sales, where Galaxy S22 is standing at second and the Galaxy S22 Plus at third. But an issue with supply chain, even the pre-orders estimated delivery dates rapidly stretched week in the future. So far, for now, it is not clear when it will get fixed. Samsung Galaxy S22 series is getting more security updates for the carrier-locked phone. It is not confirmed if this update includes GOS game optimization service update, because we have heard Korean phones already get this update and some Vietnam news are also here. So if you are in the US, head over to your settings and update your phone. Samsung is also running US deals on multiple Galaxy devices including Galaxy S22 and even Tab S8 Ultra, where for now you will get accessories if you buy Galaxy S22 devices, and you will get avail 25% off on the Galaxy Tab S8 and the Tab S8 Ultra. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below, did you like the 960 FPS feature on Galaxy devices? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.